Hello, my amazing students. Welcome back to day 2 of our 15 Days English Speaking Challenge. First of all, congratulations. You completed day 1 yesterday, and that was not a small thing. You practiced 30 sentences. Do you know what that means? You already spoke 60 times out loud. Imagine! You spoke more English in one day than some people do in an entire week. So give yourself a clap because you are awesome. Now, today is special. We are going to practice shopping sentences, but before that, I want to spend some time with you. Not just teaching, but really talking to you, motivating you, and connecting with you. Because this challenge is not only about English sentences, it's about building confidence, habits, and a positive lifestyle. So tell me honestly, how was your shopping last time? Did you go to a supermarket, a small shop, or maybe an online store? I'll tell you something funny. Last week I went shopping, and guess what? I only wanted to buy bread and milk. Just 2 things. But when I came out of the shop, my bag was full. Who else does this? You go for one thing, but you end up buying 10 things. I'm sure this happens to you too, right? And sometimes, shopkeepers are so clever. They put chocolates and snacks right near the counter. Why? Because they know we will pick them at the last moment. I always get trapped there. So yes, shopping is not just about buying things. It's also about control and practice. Now, let's connect this to our English challenge. Learners, listen carefully. Learning English is a little bit like shopping. You don't get everything in one day. You don't buy the whole store in one visit. You go step by step. First bread, then milk, then rice, then oil. Same with English. First simple words, then small sentences, then longer conversations. Step by step, you will fill your shopping cart of English. And one day you'll realize, wow, I have everything I need to speak fluently. That's why shadowing practice is so powerful. Every day you pick up something small, but together it becomes something big. Yesterday you picked daily routine sentences. Today you will pick shopping sentences. Tomorrow you will pick something else. And by the end of 15 days, your shopping cart of English will be full. Isn't that exciting? Also, I want to ask, how are you feeling? Are you enjoying this challenge? If yes, write in the comments, I am enjoying day 2. Because your comments are my energy. When I see you writing, when I see you practicing, it makes me smile. It feels like we are learning together, like a family. And let me tell you something. I know some of you might feel shy, or maybe you think, oh, my pronunciation is not perfect. Don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. Even I make mistakes sometimes. English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to open your mouth and try. Every sentence you speak is one step forward. Think about it. How will your life change if you speak English confidently? Maybe you can get a better job. Maybe you can travel easily. Maybe you can make new international friends. Or maybe you can simply feel proud of yourself when you talk. That's what we are working for. And this daily shadowing is your shortcut to confidence. So promise me something today. No matter how busy you are, no matter how tired you feel, you will give yourself 10 minutes every day. Because this challenge is not about me. It's about you, your growth, your voice, your future. All right, my dear students, I think you are ready now. Take a deep breath in and out. You are smiling, and your energy is high. Perfect. Let's now begin our practice for day 2, shopping sentences. Remember, repeat after me, speak loudly, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Are you ready? Say it with me. Yes, I am ready. Okay, let's start our shadowing practice for shopping. Remember, students, listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak with energy. A 1 level, simple shopping sentences. Sentence 1. I want to buy this. Repeat, I want to buy this. Sentence 2. How much is it? How much is it? Sentence 3. Can I pay by cash? Repeat, can I pay by cash? Sentence 4. Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in blue? Sentence 5. I need a bag, please. Repeat, I need a bag, please. Sentence 6. That is too expensive. That is too expensive. Sentence 7. Can you show me another one? Repeat, can you show me another one? Sentence 8. I like this one. I like this one. Sentence 9. I don't need it now. I don't need it now. Sentence 10. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Well done, students. You are doing amazing. Keep speaking loudly and clearly. A 2 level, everyday shopping sentences. Sentence 11. Can I try this shirt on? Can I try this shirt on? Sentence 12. Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Sentence 13. Can I pay with my card? Can I pay with my card? Sentence 14. Is this on sale today? Repeat, is this on sale today? Sentence 15. Excuse me, where's the checkout counter? Excuse me, where is the checkout counter? Sentence 16. I am just looking, thank you. Repeat, I am just looking, thank you. Sentence 17. Can I get a discount on this? Can I get a discount on this? Sentence 18. I will take 2 of these. I will take 2 of these. Sentence 19. Do you have fresh vegetables today? Repeat, do you have fresh vegetables today? Sentence 20. Can you give me the bill, please? Can you give me the bill, please? Excellent! You have now completed 20 sentences. That means you have spoken 40 times already. Can you see what's happening? Every time you repeat, you get more natural. Remember, students, shopping sentences are not only useful in stores, they also build your confidence in asking questions, requesting politely, and speaking in daily life. Keep going, don't stop now. You are training your tongue, your ears, and your confidence. All right, let's continue with the next level of sentences. B1 level, more detailed shopping sentences. Sentence 21. I am looking for a comfortable pair of shoes. I am looking for a comfortable pair of shoes. Sentence 22. Could you please tell me if this is organic? Could you please tell me if this is organic? Sentence 23. Excuse me, where can I find the dairy section? Excuse me, Where can I find the dairy section? Sentence 24. Can I return this item if it doesn't fit? Can I return this item if it doesn't fit? Sentence 25. I think the price is too high for this quality. I think the price is too high for this quality. Sentence 26. Do you have something similar but cheaper? Do you have something similar but cheaper? Sentence 27. I need a gift for my friend's birthday. I need a gift for my friend's birthday. Sentence 28. Can you wrap this up for me, please? Can you wrap this up for me, please? Sentence 29. Excuse me, I think you gave me the wrong change. Excuse me, I think you gave me the wrong change. Sentence 30. I will buy this one. Thank you very much. I will buy this one. Thank you very much. Fantastic, students! You have just finished day 2 of our speaking challenge. You practiced 30 shopping sentences, which means you spoke 60 times today. That is powerful. Now, think about it. Shopping is something we all do. Next time you go to a shop or supermarket, try to use 1 or 2 of these sentences, even if it's just saying, "How much is it?" or "Can I try this on?" It will build your confidence step by step. Your homework for today? Write the last sentence in the comments. Write, "I will buy this one. Thank you very much." When you write it, you make a promise to yourself that you are learning actively. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and join me tomorrow for day 3. Each day we are filling our shopping cart of English, and soon you will have everything you need for fluency. Say it with me one last time. I can do it. I will do it, and I am doing it now. Excellent! See you tomorrow, my dear students, for day 3 of our challenge. Until then, practice, smile, and believe in yourself.